Good morning, students. So, students, once again, I am going to teach you about cardiac cycle. So, first question is this here: what is cardiac cycle? So, students, cardiac cycles mean the sequence of events which takes place during the completion of the heartbeat. One heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. So during a cardiac cycle, the following events takes place. Following events: first, joint diastole; second, atrial systole; and third one is ventricular systole. On an average, human heart beats at the rate of about 72 times per minute in the resting condition. Its mean 72 cardiac cycles completed in a minute. One cardiac cycle is completed in 0.8 seconds. So, students, as you know that human heart is four chambered and mostly cardiac cycle takes place in four chambered heart. So, in very easy way, we are going to talk about cardiac cycle. First step of cardiac cycle is joint diastoles. So, which events takes place during this phase? So, first point, atria and ventricle. Atria and ventricles are relaxed. So, this situation is called diastole. Second point, blood flow from atria to ventricle. Blood flow from atria to ventricles. AV valve open. So atrioventricular valve open. Semilunar valves closed. So these four events mainly takes place in first joint diastole part of cardiac cycle. So joint diastole takes time 0.4 second. AV valves are called as bicuspid and tricuspid valve. Second is atrial or auricular systole. When full of blood, contraction of atria pumps blood into respective ventricles which are still in diastole. So it lasts for about 0.1 to 0.15 second. So these two events mainly takes place. One, during atrial systole, bicuspid and tricuspid valves on AV apertures remain open, allowing blood to flow into respective ventricles. Second point, blood does not pass back from the atria into the great veins because the roots of great veins are compressed to block their openings. So semilunar valve in closed. So summarize the events of atrial systole. Both atria simultaneously contract, forcing remaining blood into ventricles. AV valves open, semilunar valves closed. So that's why blood do not flow into the vena cava. So it takes time 0.1 seconds. Third is ventricular systole. With the onset of atrial diastole, ventricles contract, the pressure of blood in ventricles rise and the tricuspid and bicuspid valves are shut sharply to prevent backflow of blood from the ventricles to atria. The sharp closure of the AV valves at the beginning of the ventricular systole produce a sound lub. So this is the first heart sound heard during a heartbeat. That is love. So always remember, friends, love is the sound love is arising due to closing of AV valves or bi and tricuspid valves, you can say. Now, semilunar valves of the great arteries, aorta and pulmonary arteries open and blood is pumped into the great arteries. This marks the end of ventricular systole. It completed 0.3 second. You just see the pic, closing of bicuspid and tricuspid valve, and this pic show the opening of semilunar valve. And now closure of the semilunar valves at the start of ventricular diastole produce a dub sound in the heart. So this sound is second sound. This sound is short pitched and lasts longer than the sound lub. So that is dub. So friends, always remember the sound dub is arised due to closing of semilunar valves. So summarize the events of ventricular systole. Ventricular systole is completed within 0.3 second. Both ventricles simultaneously contract and blood flows into aorta and pulmonary artery. AV valves are closed. Semilunar valves are open. So these are the rhythmic contraction of heart chambers and changes in pressure and volume during cardiac cycle. What kind of changes takes place in each and every events of cardiac cycles? So in this way cardiac cycle is completed.